Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I've got a to-do list. I'm going to make all of these a drop-down, and that's pretty easy to do. I just right-click, convert to drop-down, and now you can see that all of these items are a drop-down. And if I want, theoretically, I click and I can just drag this down, and now I have all of those options there. So important would be live a fulfilled life. Unimportant, dust bunnies in the corner, etc. But I might have OCD, so the dust bunnies in the corner might be important, so I can now change it. And now, since I have all of this, I don't need these, so I'll just go ahead and delete those. But now I have the magic of sorting, and let's go ahead and make sure I get it all. And I'm going to sort A to Z, and now you can see that delegate, important, and unimportant are now sorted. Thanks for watching, and that's how you use the drop-down conversion in Google Sheets. Thanks, and happy computing.